Something special in these days that didn't exist thousands of years ago, but it was much worse then. And so the biggest questions that we sometimes grapple with in faith is good things happening to bad people and bad things happening to good people. So the rabbis are going out of their way in this week's Parsha to give us an antidote to times that make us question our faith. So there's a midrash that says that when Rivka was coming to the well overflowed with the water, and Eliezer didn't even need her to go to the well to get anything because the water was coming out. But Eliezer wanted, or at least the rabbis are saying, Eliezer set up this system that whoever would come and take the water and do this whole chesed routine to bring him the water and bring water to the camels, that would be the person for Yitzchak. So that's what happens. And the minute that she starts doing her job, he runs to her in order to make this whole chesed moment happen. So that's part one. Part two is that he's talking to God and he's saying, if you find me the right woman, that for Isaac, this is what should happen. And the pasuk says, before he finished speaking, Rivka starts running to him. So he was in the middle of making this prayer, and the pasuk has the extra word who. It didn't need to be there, which means he. So the rabbis said that it doesn't mean he like the lowercase. It means he with the capital H, meaning God. The extra who is there to tell you that God is always watching and manufacturing the realities that are happening to us. And so I think that the juxtaposition of the story of the extra who and Rivka's story with the extra chesed that we're supposed to get, because Masada Avot Lebanim is that, the actions of what happened in that time period are supposed to hit us today, is the antidote for the knowing that God is really watching over things, but then you see these crazy tragedies happening, is you have to do chesed. And that's the main thing, is that you have to take the lesson of Rivka and internalize that to yourselves. And when you have moments of faith, just do chesed. That's it. Lost my page.